Hi, I'm Dave Pulliston. I'm going to show you TegoDrive. TegoDrive is a really exciting program that we've just shown as exhibition for the coolest demo at the RFID Journal Live show. And the concept behind TegoDrive is it helps you deploy immediately out of the box. If you've got a part, an asset, you want to put data on it, and you want to do it quickly, the typical deployment process in RFID, you have to work out what data you're going to put on it. You put where it's going to go in memory in a tag. You then have to write the application that encodes the data. Then you have to get this all integrated with your IT. And by the time you've done that, you've spent several months, years getting it going. You've spent a fortune developing software, integrating the system. What I'm going to show you is that you can do it right now out of the box, and you can have it running today. And what we do is I'm going to start TegoDrive up here. And we're just going to connect to this USB-based Gen 2 reader. And I'm going to put the tag on the reader. This is where I need to switch. Okay, so when I connected the reader and ran the software up, the reader is actually mounted as a T drive on the PC. And if I go into the tags folder, I can see the tag that we just added. And as you can see, it's renamed. The name of that folder is the decoded EPC code. And if I needed to change the EPC code for any reason, it would be as simple as renaming that folder to change the EPC code. So to all intents and purposes, the tag has just become an extension of the PC. It's just another drive, another folder on the PC. Now our tags actually have a fair amount of memory inside them. The one I'm using here has 4 kilobytes. And so I can show you some data that I've already put on this tag. And we can open it up and have a look. And in a typical operation, parts, whatever it is for them operations, manufacturing for example, gets quite a lot of data. You get manufacturing data, you get quality data, and we can actually add that. We can give different folders to different departments to add their own data. So let's have a look at the manufacturing data. Here we've got some XML data, which is capturing build configuration type information. So configuration type control different pieces of different components in the PC in this case. As it goes through its life cycle in the manufacturing process. We'll go through some QA tests to make sure it's working. And here we have some example test results. It's showing the environmental qualification that this part has gone through. And then when it's delivered to the customer probably wants some delivery documentation, maybe advanced shipping notices as well. Perhaps they'd like the advanced shipping notice to reconcile with the actual piece of equipment. Perhaps we have to actually certify